In our previous video, I said we are going to be installing our IDE. So now we're going to install VS Code. As usual, open the browser of your choice, and then in the search bar, type VS Code download. Now click the first link that is shown on your screen, and then it's going to take you to the official page of Visual Studio Code. Here we have various operating systems. We have Windows, we have Ubuntu, we have Mac OS. So depending on your operating system, so you just click on that particular operating system. I am using Windows, so I'm going to click Windows, and I'll wait for it to download. Now you check your download page, you see that VS Code is already downloading. So now we're going to wait for it to finish download, then we are going to install it. Now after we have successfully downloaded VS Code, you open the location to your download and double click on the application. So you'll be asked if you want to run the file. Click run. The next thing is going to open the installation wizard. Then you accept the agreement and click next. So you can decide to tick this create a desktop icon to have the icon on your personal laptop, but it's not a necessity. Leave everything as it is and click next. Now the next thing is for you to click install and wait for VS Code to be installed on your system. So we have successfully installed VS Code on our system, and here you can see that this place is ticked, either for us to launch the VS Code after we click this finish. But you can unmark this, then come to search bar and search for VS Code before you open it, and you can leave as it is. So I'm going to leave it like this and just click finish. I will wait for VS Code to automatically launch. All right, so if you are starting, if you have been able to launch, you see it has successfully launched. We have successfully installed and launched VS Code. All right, so you can start to create new files, new Python files. You can open file, you can open folder, and you can clone a Git repository. So we are going to stop here, and I'm going to walk you through how to also install Anaconda.